In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up approval processes on Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable approval flow mapped to your board, so requests move smoothly from submission to decision without chasing people in chats or email. First, open Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want approvals to happen. I'm using a sample project board, but any board with items you want reviewed will work. Make sure you have permission to install apps in your account or ask your admin to follow along. On your board, open the column options and choose More Columns. From there, select Explore Marketplace. This takes you to Monday's App Marketplace, where you can add functionality to your boards. In the search or featured results, find approvals for Monday.com and start the installation. Follow the prompts, grant the requested permissions, and complete the install. A quick note, if your workspace has restrictions, you might need an admin to approve this step. After installing, you'll land in the app setup for this board. First, click Select a column and choose the status column you want the app to use for your approval state. This is where the approval result will live. If your board already has a status like pending, approved, or rejected, pick that one. If not, select the most appropriate status column now. You can always refine its labels later so they clearly reflect your process. Next, click Select a column again and choose your owner or people column. This column represents the approver or approvers responsible for making the decision on each item. Mapping this correctly ensures the right person is notified and can approve directly from the item. Now in the configuration, click the highlighted setting to adjust the approval requirement, then choose 1. This sets the process to require a single approver. If your workflow needs multiple approvers, you can change this value later. But for this setup, we're using 1 approver to keep things straightforward. Finally, click Done to save your configuration. Your board is now connected to the Approvals app. From this point forward, when an item is assigned to an owner, the approval will be tracked in the status column you selected, giving your team instant visibility into what's pending, what's approved, and what needs attention. If anything doesn't look right, you can revisit the app settings to remap columns or adjust the approval requirement without rebuilding your board. That's it. Your approval process is live, clear, and easy to manage right inside Monday.com.